Welcome to Practice Easy English. Homonyms in English. Boost your vocabulary with simple examples. Can. Can you help me? I need a can of soda. Match. Let's light a match. Our team won the match. Duck. Look at that duck swimming. Duck. The ball is coming. Nail. I'm polishing my nails. He's hammering a nail into the wood. Date. What's today's date? I ate a sweet date for dessert. Fair. That's not fair. We had fun at the fair. Fine. I feel fine, thank you. He had to pay a fine for speeding. Bank. I need to go to the bank. Let's sit on the bank of the river. Bat. A bat flew into the cave. He hit the ball with a bat. Bark. Dogs bark at strangers. The tree's bark is rough. Bow. He gave a bow after the performance. She used a bow to shoot arrows. Fly. There's a fly in my soup. Planes fly in the sky. Jam. I love strawberry jam. We're stuck in a traffic jam. Letter. I received a letter today. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Park. Let's walk in the park. You can park your car here. Ring. She wore a gold ring. Did you hear the phone ring? Rock. He threw a rock into the river. I love rock music. Rose. She gave me a red rose. He rose early in the morning. Row. We sat in the front row. They row the boat across the lake. Ruler. Measure it with a ruler. The ruler of the kingdom was wise. Well. I'm feeling well today. This well is very deep. Watch. Your wristwatch is beautiful. Let's watch a movie tonight. Wave. The wave hit the shore. Wave goodbye to your friends. Bear. We saw a bear in the forest. I can't bear this pain anymore. Book. I'm reading an interesting book. Let's book a table for dinner. Light. This bag is very light. Turn on the light, please. Trip. We went on a trip to Paris. Be careful not to trip on the stairs. Saw. I saw a bird on the tree. He used a saw to cut the wood. pen. Write it down with a pen. The sheep are in the pen. Tear. A tear rolled down her cheek. Don't tear the paper. Sink. The sink is full of dishes. Don't let the boat sink.